Hello students, today we are going to study chemical properties of ether. Third reaction is reaction with hot concentrated acids. Then our third reaction is reaction with hot concentrated acids. So in this reaction, alkyl ether react with hot concentrated acids to form alcohols and alkyl halides. Here ether, in that alkyl ether react with hot concentrated acid to form alcohols and alkyl halides. Let's see the reaction. R-O-R- plus hot concentrated acid X will give R-OH plus R-X. Let's see here, alkyl ether react with hot concentrated acid to form alcohol and alkyl halide. Alcohol and alkyl halide. Formation of alcohol and alkyl halide from alkyl ether and hot concentrated acids. So, alkyl ether have stronger and shortest bond of oxygen and aromatic ring. Here, alkyl ether have stronger and shorter bond between oxygen and aromatic ring. So here, alkyl ether can cleavage the oxygen and alkyl group. There is cleavage of oxygen and alkyl group to form phenol and alkyl halide. There is formation of phenol and alkyl halide. So here in alkyl ether there is cleavage of oxygen alkyl bond and there is formation of phenol and alkyl halide. But there is the reaction with hydrogen iodide. So let's see here alkyl ether. Let's see the example. OCH3. This is anisole. Anisole react with acid. There is formation of phenol. There is formation of phenol plus methyl iodide. Methyl iodide. Let's see here. The alkyl ether react with hydrogen halide at 398 Kelvin. At 398 Kelvin to form phenol and methyl iodide. Methyl iodide. Then let's see here, there is a stronger and shortest bond between oxygen and aromatic ring and there is a cleavage. There is cleavage between oxygen and alkyl group and there is formation of phenol and methyl iodide. The fourth reaction is electrophilic substitution of aromatic ether. Fourth one is electrophilic substitution of aromatic ether. So here the alkoxy group of ether. The alkoxy group of ether are ring activity are reactivity and also ortho and para directive group. Also ortho and para directive group towards electrophilic aromatic substitution. म्हणजे अल्किल ग्रुप जो आहे तर तो कसा आहे रिएक्टिव्हिटी आहे प्लस तो ऑर्थो अँड पॅरा डायरेक्शनला अटॅच असतो. सो लेट्स सी हियर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन in electrophilic substitution of aromatic ether. The first reaction is halogenation of ether. See the first halogenation reaction. So in this reaction the anisole undergoes bromination with bromine in acetic acid due to absence of ferric chloride catalyst. See the reaction here. Anisole react with bromination Br2 in acetic acid CH3COOH in acetic acid to form para-bromo-aniline. This is OCH3 Br plus there is formation of ortho-bromo-aniline OCH3 Br. Let's see anisole on bromination with bromine in acetic acid to form para-bromo-anisole and ortho-bromo-anisole. There is 90% formation of para-bromo-anisole and 10% formation of ortho-bromo-anisole. Okay, see again. Anisole undergoes bromination with bromine in acetic acid to form para-bromo-anisole and ortho-bromo-anisole. Then our second reaction is what? Then our second reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Our second reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In this reaction, anisole react with alkyl halide and acid chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 aluminum chloride as a catalyst. So let's see the reaction. First, anisole react with alkyl halide means CH3Cl. Alkyl halide, there is formation of alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Anisole react with alkyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 as a catalyst to form. There is formation of para-methoxytoluene plus ortho-methoxytoluene OCH3. Let's see here. Anisole react with methyl methyl chloride. There is formation of 4-methoxy. 4-methoxytoluene. 4-methoxytoluene. Or 2-methoxytoluene. 2-methoxytoluene. This is the formation of mixture of 4-methoxytoluene or para-methoxytoluene and 2-methoxytoluene or ortho-methoxytoluene. Our next reaction is reaction of anisole with acid chloride. First we see reaction of anisole with alkyl halide. Then reaction of anisole with This is reaction of anisole with acid chloride CH3COCl. Then there is anisole react with acid chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, anhydrous AlCl3. There is formation of OCH3-COCH3. There is formation of 4-methoxyacetophenone. There is formation of 4-methoxyacetophenone and plus there is formation of 2-methoxyacetophenone. 2-methoxyacetophenone. Let's see COCH3. 2-methoxyacetophenone. 2-methoxyacetophenone. Let's see here again. Anisole react with acid chloride. Anisole react with acid chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. There is formation of 4-methoxyacetophenone or para-methoxyacetophenone and 2-methoxyacetophenone or there is ortho-methoxyacetophenone. Then our third reaction is nitration. And our third reaction is nitration. Nitration of ether. So here anisole react with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form the mixture of ortho-nitroanisole and para-nitroanisole. Let's see here. Anisole react with anisole OCH3 with anisole react with concentrated nitric acid. Concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. There is formation of mixture of ortho and para nitroanisole. Let's see here. Here there is OCH3 NO2. This is para nitro anisole plus, here is formation of ortho nitro anisole. Ortho nitro anisole. Again, I repeat, anisole in the nitration reaction, anisole react with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. There is formation of mixture of orthonitro-anisole and para-nitro-anisole. Okay. So our next point is uses of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Uses of alcohols, phenols and ether. In that, first we study the uses of alcohols. In that, first alcohols. So what are the uses of alcohols? The methyl alcohol is used as solvent for paints and varnishes. Methyl alcohol, CH3OH, used as solvent. Used as solvent in paint and varnishes. Paint and varnishes. Then ethyl alcohol is used as antifreeze agent in automobile radiator. Ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, is used as antifreeze agent. Antifreeze agent in automobile radiators. Then next is uses of ether. Uses of ether. What are the uses of ether? Diethyl ether is used as solvent for Grignard reagent, fats, oils and waxes. Let's see the diethyl ether. Diethyl ether is used as solvent. For Grignard reagent, then wax, oils and fats. Then see the uses of phenols. Let's see the uses of phenols. So what are the uses of phenols? Phenols is used as preparation of phenol formaldehyde. Phenol is used as preparation of phenol formaldehyde resin. Preparation of phenol formaldehyde resin. And phenol is also used as antiseptic. Phenol is used as antiseptic in common reagent. That is air freshener, then mouthwash, floor cleaner, deodorant and calamine oil, calamine lotion. Let's see the common product like air fresheners, deodorants, then mouthwash, then calamine lotion and floor cleaners. See, phenols is used as antiseptics. In common products like air freshener, deodorant, mouthwash, calamine lotion and floor cleaners. Okay, these are the uses of phenols, alcohols and ethers. Okay, thank you.